An all-party meeting that was supposed to get the political consensus needed to end the stalemate between Team Anna and the government earlier this morning ended with no breakthrough. The leaders came out of the meeting making strong statements one after the other, asking the government to withdraw the bill. But what they said outside in news conferences, that withdraw the bill, was not mentioned at all in the resolution. Honestly, after 9 days, the political class of this country is not yet coming together with something that is going to get Team Anna to encourage Anna Hazare to give up his fast.
It is the meeting that could have provided the ultimate breakthrough. A solution to end the logjam between Anna Hazare and the government.
The committee recommended that Jan Lokpal bill should also be taken into account while considering the bill for drafting Lokpal, so that a powerful and strong Lokpal bill could be enacted as short as possible.
The true test of where the opposition stood on the Jan Lokpal bill.
At the end of the 3-hour-long all-party meeting, the only broad consensus was that Anna Hazare should end his fast. The BJP and the left also agreeing to the fact that the government's version of the Lokpal bill should be withdrawn.
कि सरकार का बिल जो एकदम निष्प्रभावी बिल है, उसको सरकार वापस ले ले और जन लोकपाल बिल को दृष्टि में रखते हुए एक नया सशक्त और प्रभावी लोकपाल विधेयक संसद में पेश करें.
So we, at least from the CPIM and from our 9 parties that alliance that we had demanded that the government bill must be withdrawn. A new bill must be brought forward, which will incorporate all the important points raised by the Jan Lokpal as well as by the others.
A few kilometers away, positions hardening at the Ramlila grounds. A visibly frail but cheerful Anna Hazare saying he would not be deterred on day 9 of his fast.
जो फौज में मैं जवान बनकर जो काम किया, दुश्मन से लड़ते रहा, अब ये दूसरी लड़ाई मैं लड़ रहा हूं हमारे घर में छुपे हुए दुश्मन से.
हम प्रधानमंत्री जी का सम्मान करते हैं और हम उनसे निवेदन करना चाहते हैं कि अगर आपको उनके स्वास्थ्य की वाकई चिंता है तो आप जन लोकपाल बिल संसद के अंदर कल रख दीजिए. अन्ना जी अपना अनशन तोड़ लेंगे.
With concerns for Anna's health growing, time is running out both for the Prime Minister and for the opposition that wants to ride the Anna wave but isn't quite sure how far to hop onto the Jan Lokpal bandwagon.
Opposition parties like the BJP, the left, the JDU and the RLT have made their position clear. They want the government to withdraw the Lokpal bill introduced in Lok Sabha and sent to the standing committee. However, opposition about this move coming from the National Conference and Ramvilas Paswan made the opposition position ambiguous, as this did not reflect in the resolution passed at the all-party meeting, clearly giving a teaser of things that have to come in Parliament, but also giving it breathing space just for now. How soon the government is able to come out of this ticklish situation is something everybody is watching for. In New Delhi, Navika Kumar for Times Now.